we got you at second year of $1 million turnover, and I know it was into the million.
Well into the million, closer to the two this year or
Yeah,
last financial year.
yeah,
So
that's amazing.
yeah,
Um,
not bad
and
with a team of four techs, five techs on the floor.
no, very, very good. Given when you started, I think it was around 700 to 800K a year, wasn't it?
Oh no, it was less than that. It was, I think, when we joined you, I think we were maybe 500
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
year.
and
With I don't know, I think we had a profit of about 50,000 for the year, and wondering why the hell we're even in business.
yeah,
Yeah, I think we did 1.6. We even surprised the accountant because he said we couldn't do it, but we did. Yeah, and this time, we're forecasting over 2 mil for this financial year. Yeah, great team of people around us now. Yeah, awesome service advisor. Got another parts guy coming on board. Yeah, we're talking now with large dealerships that want to come on board. I was saying to Chris Nolte in our breakout group. I can't remember whether it was 3 or 4 years we've been in Workshop Whisperer, but it's like life before and life after. Really, it's sort of like chalk and cheese. So yeah,
yeah. It's been quite amazing to not just see the growth in the business, but see the growth in yourself and Joe as well.
yeah.
And
Well, you,
and
you guys know our personal story more than most, I guess, and
we,
it's
we do,
but
and
it's
I think the thing for and I think many people here would appreciate as well. But as your business grows and gets bigger, the problems don't vanish.
oh hell no,
you become better at managing bigger problems because
yeah.
that's the price of progress. Is the problems you'll be asked to address get bigger, but your skill, your ability, and I guess if we want to talk about here the availability of other people that have already solved the problem you've got just fast tracks a way through, and
Yeah,
everything you're
it
sharing
doesn't.
is testament to that.
I guess the program doesn't just teach you how to fix your business. It teaches you the coping mechanisms to deal with the issues
Yeah,
that crop up, and one of those is knowing you have that support behind you the whole
yeah,
time.
absolutely,
You know,
absolutely, mate. Yeah,
so yeah,
amazing share. Thank you so much.